Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start right now by parking the bus in the wash bay and shutting the engine off. Make sure the parking brake is engaged so nothing moves. Next, open the in-game shop and purchase soap, wax, and rinse consumables. Check counts before starting so you don't pause mid-wash. Finally, choose wash mode. Quick saves time, standard balances cost and cleanliness, and deep uses more resources but restores shine. This gets you into the action immediately. Once done with prep, apply a pre-soak or degreaser to heavily soiled panels and wait the short in-game dwell time. This loosens grime and saves effort. Then perform a high-pressure rinse to blast off loose dirt before you scrub. This reduces scratching. Use the scrub tool in overlapping strokes, working top to bottom, and monitor water and soap meters so you don't run dry. Make sure to hit wheel wells and roof edges for consistent results. To finish, rinse thoroughly. Switch to low pressure for the final pass to avoid streaks and trapped suds. If you chose wax or polish, apply it now and allow the short cure time. That raises the shine and reduces future dirt buildup. Once polished, drive out of the base slowly so the game registers completion. If the wash progress stalls, reset the wash station via the menu or reload consumables from inventory. This fixes most glitches and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.